Get up quickly.
Get up quickly.
Don't forget your homework.
Don't forget your homework.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Tie your shoes.
Tie your shoes.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Read the instructions.
Read the instructions.
Sit down quietly.
Sit down quietly.
Write your name.
Write your name.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Stand in line.
Stand in line.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Speak softly.
Speak softly.
Help your friend.
Help your friend.
Play outside.
Play outside.
Finish your work.
Finish your work.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Feed the dog.
Feed the dog.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Call your mom.
Call your mom.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Make your bed.
Make your bed.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Zip up your jacket.
Zip up your jacket.
Look both ways.
Look both ways.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
Stay close to me.
Stay close to me.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Keep your promises.
Keep your promises.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Count to 10.
Count to 10.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Choose a book.
Choose a book.
Write a story.
Write a story.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Smile often.
Smile often.
Laugh loudly.
Laugh loudly.
Help your neighbor.
Help your neighbor.
Share your snacks.
Share your snacks.
Ask for help.
Ask for help.
Be kind to others.
Be kind to others.
Take a break.
Take a break.
Stretch your legs.
Stretch your legs.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Ride your bike.
Ride your bike.
Climb the tree.
Climb the tree.
Jump high.
Jump high.
Run fast.
Run fast.
Skip down the street.
Skip down the street.
Catch the ball.
Catch the ball.